Hey everyone, today I wanted to show you a nice little trick that you can use with pedal tones. Pedal tone over a moving voicing that is constructed the same. This is from an introduction I did on a tune yesterday's for four-horn combo, and I wanted to show you this because I think you can use it in a lot of different ways, and you can also get some interesting sounds out of this as well. This was a chart that was done for my Patreon, so if you are interested in getting the complete chart on this and playing with your group, jump over to the Patreon, you can get that, and as well as other stuff. So I wanted to show you the introduction, and what I did was basically a 4-bar phrase. I didn't do a pedal tone throughout the entire phrase, just the beginning, and I'll play this for you in just a second, but I basically wanted to, this is in D minor, so I wanted to do a pedal over the note A, which is the 5th. A lot of times you'll have a pedal. If you don't know what a pedal tone is, it's basically a bass note that recurs, and then you have harmony above that. So this is a pedal tone, but in the phrase, I only used it for the first half of the phrase. I did it in piano first, and then I did it in the horns, and that leads into the tune. So the voicing that I came up with was just this simple, basically D minor 9 voicing. And that's over A. But what I wanted to do was move it downwards chromatically, and so you can hear the tension and release within the phrase. It's fairly dissonant, kind of a cool sound actually. And then I moved it down another half step, and that is actually more dissonant than the one before. And then I followed it by something that was a little more consonant, which is just a D minor voicing. Okay, so I added a little rhythm in there. After that phrase, then I wanted to get back basically to A again. Not, it's going to basically tonicize the A as it were if it were the 1 chord. And then I did that by 2 B minor 7 flat 5, and then I moved it down kind of I did a tritone sub, B flat 13, and then I moved down to A 9 sus. So that's very calming. And then I moved, I had the horns play an A7 flat 9 sharp 11. Back to the sus chord, and then a little more tense. Okay, so I'll just play this for you, and then I'll play it actually as it occurs in the chart. That would go into the tune. Okay, so take a listen to it as it occurs. This is the introduction. I did bring it back later in the chart, and I did at the very end, I shortened it up to where it hints at that, but it doesn't do the whole thing as you just heard. So I hope that helps you. Use pedals, use harmony over pedals, and just come up with a voicing and add a pedal note and see what you can come up with. Especially when you go chromatically, you get a lot of tension and release in that way. So jump over to the Patreon if you're interested in getting this chart. Everything is fine with you, and I'll talk to you soon.